If you're in need of some outfit inspiration for how to style wide leg jeans, especially as a pear-shaped shorty, this spring moving into summer, I have got you from casual looks to a little more chic, a little more dressy, and of course some fashion forward takes. I have some inspiration just for you. Welcome back. It is your girl Jordan of Little Miss JB Style, your pear-shaped shorty style guru. I'm talking wide leg jeans and how to style them for spring. As always, links are in the description, so if there's a piece you are loving, absolutely will be linked there. If it is sold out, I make sure to note that, and I do try to link to something that's a little bit similar in price, style, and of course quality, because I'm not going to skip on you. If it's sold out, I'm not going to recommend something that I wouldn't buy myself, okay? With that, I'm literally taking one pair of jeans. This pair of jeans from H&M, you have seen them if you've watched my H&M best jeans video for pear-shaped shorties. So with this one pair of jeans, I'm going to be showing you tons of different ways that you can style them from spring as we head into summer and it gets a little bit warmer, giving you some key outfit combinations, plus some ideas for how to layer these pieces, as well as how to accessorize so it makes sense for you and your life so you can tackle whatever it is that you got to do in Style Boo, because that's what I want for you, all kinds of tips and tricks, so watch all the way through, because not just do I share obviously the outfit ideas, but I talk about why they work, why certain combinations work together, and things to consider as you're putting these looks together. With that, let's hop into these wide leg jean outfit ideas for spring and summer. Starting off with a very simple outfit combination, a classic white tank top and some high-waisted jeans. You cannot go wrong with this, and I wanted to start here because again, it's something very easy. If tank tops are not your thing, don't worry, you can easily swap this for a white tee or even a white long sleeve. But from here, for spring, a great outfit combination for the days where it might be a little bit chillier is to add some really cute chic sandals for walking around town. And then layering with a nice warm cardigan. This is a really great comfortable outfit, whether you're going to go walk around the mall, maybe you're quickly running errands at Target, but you want to look put together. This is the perfect outfit for that. And you can easily, if you want to add some color, an easy way to do that is to swap out the cardigan for maybe a jacket or a coat, still maxi style because we love the drama, with a color to really add some spring fun. I've got this one from NAKD that I am obsessing with and has come in so clutch whenever I want some color on the chillier days. So something like this is absolutely perfect as you're transitioning your denim jeans from winter into spring. Because you know I love a monochrome moment, I went ahead and added these really fun bright blue heels. These are from ASOS, super comfortable. But then to make the look appropriate, because it is still spring and it can get a little chilly, I added this blue jacket. You have probably seen this outfit if you follow me on Instagram or on Pinterest. It is a crowd favorite. And topping off the look with this really fun faux fur purse. This adds even more texture. I talk about this all the time when you're wearing one color head to toe. To keep from looking boring, it's so important to add texture so it helps to make your outfit really pop. And this is something you can easily wear to go run errands. Maybe you're meeting up with the girls for a quick coffee, something chic but also laid back. Again, starting with the same base but actually adding color this time, this really fun green tank top from Dynamite Clothing. I'm going to go with more of a rainy day outfit idea, so from there I decided to pair it with these green ankle boots. Again, I really love to play with colors, so when I have colors that I can match, I like to do that. And to make it weather appropriate, especially if it's raining, I added this really fun poncho also from H&M. The shape gives it so much more interest, and of course you're just protected from a rainy day. I decided to be a little bit playful because again the weather is starting to warm up. It might be warm rain. To add this really fun palm purse that I have from Forever 21, gives a little bit of pop and makes it feel very spring while still being appropriate, especially for a rainy day. If you are finding this video at all helpful, do me a quick favor, go ahead and hit that like button, give me a little boop-a-loop, because that helps this video to reach even more people and help them get inspired and get that outfit inspiration too. So the next base might be a little bit more risque for you, that is okay, but it's really a cropped sweater. Paired with the high-waisted jeans, this is perfect because depending on the weather, if it's warmer, you can wear it as is. If it's chilly, you can go ahead and add some nice ankle boots to keep your ankles nice and warm, keep your feet warm. And then go ahead and layer with a cardigan, a maxi one. Again, you know I love the drama and maxi cardigans. Just give you a moment. You are the moment, right? So this is very, very like a dress up, but again, still casual outfit that can work for so many different occasions. Whether you're running errands, maybe you're headed to get coffee with the girls. This is again super casual but super comfortable and a great outfit combo to try out. Keeping the same exact base, the same sweater, I decided to go ahead and add white boots instead. You're going to see the rest of this look. This is something that's a little more city friendly. Pairing those boots with a nice trench coat. This is very appropriate whether it's a rainy day or it's a little bit chilly. And to polish off the look, I added this really fun hat. And this is something if you wanted to go walk around downtown, maybe you want to go check out a museum, a little more chicer than the maxi cardigan, which is a little more dressed down and a little more casual. Another outfit combo to try is a blazer with your wide leg jeans. Most people use their blazer to layer, but a blazer as a top is so chic, so effortless, and it always looks put together, and you can dress it up or dress it down. It's a great way to add a pop of color and get even more wear out of your blazer. So I chose this green one. It's having a moment. Pairing it, of course, with the green ankle boots. And then I decided to add some bright accessories, some white accessories, because I always feel like for spring, adding white accessories really helps to freshen up the look. So I have this bag from Forever 21, adding the fun Levi hat, and of course the white sunnies from Shein. It gives spring, it gives rich auntie. I'm headed to handle my business, and it's just a really easy outfit combination to try out. Another classic outfit combination with wide leg jeans is an oversized white button up. This is a classic you can never go wrong with. For this first look, I really wanted to do something a little bit more casual, a little bit more street. So I have my white ankle booties because I always just feel like a good heel makes the outfit very elevated. Then I went ahead and threw on this really fun trench coat. I love the navy. It's always unexpected for spring, but still very fresh with the pinstripe. Pairing it with some white accessories. Then to add just a little bit of flair, one of my favorite ways to wear an oversized button-up is with one side tucked in. I just feel like it gives it something fun, it gives it something edgy. If you're not a fan of the one-sided tuck, do a full front tuck, whatever makes sense for you if you want to show off more figure. Another easy way to show off your figure instead of with a maxi trench coat is to do a crop jacket, especially a leather style. You have seen this one. This is still very flattering. It highlights your waist, and again, it's very, very edgy, still great for running around town to go check out some new stores, meet up with the girls, or spending a day with yourself. As the temperatures get warm, starting with some casual sneakers, keeping the same button up, go ahead and add a blazer. While this might feel really oversized, I'm going to show you a really fun trick. If you have a chic waist belt that adds some structure, go ahead and add that and pair it with a really fun purse. This is a really great way to step up an otherwise simple look. Again, a waist belt goes really, really far, and the beige looks absolutely incredible. And what I want to show as a bonus look, when it gets really, really warm and you don't even need the blazer, you can still keep the waist belt, do a half front tuck. It looks so chic and works for so many different occasions. You want to be casual, but you want to give your outfit a little something extra. Honestly, a waist belt like this is such a great investment because it will step up any outfit no matter the season. Before we get into the rest of these wide leg jean outfits, I am super curious. What is your biggest struggle when it comes to styling wide leg, high-waisted jeans? Like, what do you feel like is this barrier you can't get past, and as you're thinking about outfits, you're just trying to figure it out? What do you struggle with the most? I'm super, super curious because, of course, I want to help you out. So if there's any tips or tricks that I can give you to help you get past that, I would love to be able to do that for you. So let me know what your biggest struggle is when styling wide leg jeans in the comments below. Bringing back the white tank top with some high-waisted jeans, as the weather starts to get warmer, a really great outfit combination is to pair it with some blazers. So I added these really fun Bottega sandals because I wanted to play with this brown houndstooth blazer. This is a classic style, a classic print. If you're ever wondering what kind of print to invest in that will always be timeless, I feel like houndstooth is always the answer, whether you go in a neutral or a color. Then to add some fun, of course, you had to bring Brandon Blackwood and pair it with a hat. Very chic. This is going to meet up with a supplier, going to hang out with the girls downtown, going to check out some of the new stores that might have popped up that piqued your interest. Just a great outfit that never goes out of style. Another option for this, keeping the same base, is to play with a cropped blazer. These are not going to go anywhere and they are crazy flattering, especially if you're pear-shaped. Whether you get a color or you get a neutral, I love this beige colored one. This look got so much love when I first posted it a couple of years ago. Pairing it with some easy summer sandals. Again, this outfit is so versatile. You're meeting up for brunch. You're gonna go check out some new decor for the apartment because you are due for an upgrade. This is again just a really great chic way to dress up your jeans for the spring. Introducing a new base, a crop top, button up, and your high-waisted jeans. This is already a chic outfit on its own, but as the temperatures are still a little cold, you can go ahead and add some ankle boots in the same color as your button up. Add a trench coat because of course the drama, right? It is the quintessential spring piece. I love this cream one that I have from Topshop. And then you can accessorize. I of course went with more brown accessories and some sunglasses to really make it pop. This is again a super chic look. You're going to grab brunch, maybe you're headed downtown for a spa day. Whatever it is, this is a really great outfit idea for your wide leg jeans for spring. Another option, if it's still very cold out, keeping the same base, keeping those same ankle boots, is to actually layer a cropped sweater over. So the cropped sweater that you saw earlier, over that crop button up. Again, we're playing on the school vibe. It's really fun. It's a great trend. And adding the brown accessories, it just brings the outfit together. So this is super cozy. Maybe a casual dinner date, or even to take your coffee outside and enjoy a little bit cooler but nice day. Now, keeping the same base, another way to style this is with some really nice spring sandals. Again, you have the Bottegas because they match. And I decided to pull out this brown cropped blazer. This is playing on the whole school uniform trend that honestly never goes out of style, so that's why this is such a classic look. And of course, pairing it with some brown accessories. This is really great if you have to look a little bit more professional, but you want to be casual. Maybe you're headed down to do a meeting at the coffee shop or headed to brunch with your ladies. Whatever you're doing, this is a really chic option for your wide leg jeans. That is it. Like I said, tons, literally so many different ways that you can style wide leg jeans. It's not even funny. Like, there's a reason that jeans are kind of like the quintessential go-to pant. And the great thing about this too is actually these outfit ideas will work for any high-waisted wide leg jeans, especially that have a little bit more structure. So think classic trousers and things like that. You absolutely could make any of these outfits work for those kinds of pants as well. So this is a little dual video for you because of course I love to give you options. There is no shortage of options. And the thing you really need to allow yourself is to play and to see yourself being able to wear these things. I think that is the biggest barrier a lot of people have, is that they discount something before they even try it and they don't even give themselves the options to play around with it. And I want you to give yourself that freedom. You're allowed to play with your clothes. You're allowed to try new things. And if it doesn't work out, that's absolutely okay. If you don't love it, that is perfectly fine. You don't have to love every one of these outfit combinations. The key is to find what works for you because that is how you develop your style, is truly understanding yourself and owning that. So I say that to say, give something a try first. Really be open and play around with it because you would be surprised how many of these things will work for you and will look amazing on you. Now after that, if you still don't love it, you don't have to rock it, but give yourself that freedom, give yourself that permission. I think that's so important. Whether it's in style or in life, give yourself that permission to do it. You are allowed to experiment and express and learn and grow and find yourself, okay? Because you deserve it. I want you to look amazing. You deserve to look amazing because you're manifesting, you're working hard. I know it. I know you are. And that's what I want to help you with, is you're already doing all this other work. I want to give you these tips and tricks to help empower you, build your confidence, so you feel great in the clothes that you wear, regardless of if you're dressed down or you're dressed up. And you can tackle these other things, no problem, because you know you look good. With that, thank you, seriously. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, give me a little boob, give me a little love. It is absolutely free and it helps this video reach even more people and help them get inspired as well. And if you felt really inspired, make sure you subscribe, okay? You can follow along. I share videos on Wednesdays and on Sundays. So all kinds of outfit inspiration, places to shop, and travel, and of course lifestyle as well. So lots of new content to watch. Thank you for watching all the way through, and I'll see you in a couple of days. Bye.